The Assessment Innovation Fund is looking for research proposals to test out new and innovative assessment ideas. So what makes a good research proposal? Well, there are three key statements that we ask for at the very start of your Assessment Innovation Fund application form. And these statements really quickly identify your purpose, the intended solution, and the hypothesis for your research proposal. Your application form must have a clear purpose for your research. For example, your purpose could be to improve the experience of learners taking an initial diagnostic assessment. Your experience or your research might be telling you that currently learners struggle to engage with this assessment. So now you have a clear research purpose, you can introduce your solution. If we follow the example from before, you might be saying here that you want to test the effects of a new initial assessment that has engaging elements for your learners, such as gamification or adaptive assessment, or some other new crazy idea that you've dreamed up. So you're introducing your solution here, but just keep it high level at this point. The detail of your solution can come later in your application form. So now you've introduced your clear purpose and solution, you need to form your hypothesis, which is your prediction of what impact you think your solution can have on the problem. If we follow through our initial assessment example from before, you might think and hopefully have some evidence for the fact that your new, more improved, more accurate initial assessment will improve achievement rates where your assessment's used. So here you're introducing the construct that you're hoping to measure in your research. This example is achievement rates, and you're suggesting how much impact you think you can have. These three questions are the first three statements that our application form asks you to make about your research proposal, and we think simple is better. So take your time to refine these statements as they will set up the rest of your application. Your context and method sections, for example, should automatically flow from these three statements as you elaborate on your justification for the problem that you've chosen to solve and the solution that you're intending to use. If you're applying for our Assessment Innovation Fund, good luck. Please book in a remote meeting with us so that we can make sure you get the right level of support during the application process. You can do that using the email address on the screen. We really look forward to talking to you about the future of assessment.